Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick little review on the NATO MK3 chemical suit size extra large. Now, this specific one was packaged in 1990. Fabric date was 1998. Expiration date 1996. Now the thing about these things are, it's kind of weird with suits like this because it may say it expired a while ago, but the fact of the matter is they're still useful and still provide a decent amount of protection. Not as good as if it was brand new, but you get the point. If you want something modern and guaranteed to work well, get a MOP suit, M-O-P-P suit. Those are like this, same exact kind of styling, same exact concept, only a little thicker and more modern. So, when you get your MK3 chemical suit, if it's an extra large, it'll come in this kind of bag. And I have a few other ones in smaller sizes. The smaller sizes may come in a clear bag, but getting to the point, they take a little time to open. So, I'm going to slice open the parts to it. And just so you guys can get a little better view of this, this red writing right here says MIL-B-131H, Type 1, Class 1, Bell Fiber Production Corp., Columbus, Georgia, FR2175-B, L0T number 1. And this right here just says trousers, part of suit, chemical, size extra large, blah blah blah. Got it from Maine military. Just stuff like that. So, we go back over here. These are the trousers. And you're not always supposed to open them until you're about to use them. But if you vacuum seal it right up after you open it, it'll be fine. So it just tears open. And I'm going to put this knife over here so no one gets hurt. Come back over here, open it up, and you undo this rubber band, undo that rubber band. Start to unfold it. These things are folded up pretty well. And I'll show you one thing you're going to need to know about getting these opened. They're kind of like, I don't want to say glued, but you kind of have to dig in, because what will happen is these things are kind of like sealed together to keep it really airtight. And it takes a little time to get it open. But a few minutes, and it'll be right as rain. Now, if you go on mainmilitary.com, they don't have the extra large or the large for sale on the website. However, if you want to purchase a large or an extra large, you can call them, order over the phone, and they'll ship you a large or extra large if you request it. So, after we get all this opened up, you get this, and these are like suspenders. Everything is like really velcroed. So, that's basically the trousers. So, these are what it looks like when it's on. I don't have the bottom velcroed up because I don't really need to. As you can see, they're like suspenders right here. They loop through the loop right here and right here. You tie it up, kind of like a shoelace. And then there's a middle Velcro strap right here. And these are the pants. They don't really fit over your pants, so you have to wear these like they're normal clothes. Now, they are charcoal lined, so they'll help keep your scent in. There is a utility pouch right here. And there's a utility pouch right here. So, that's basically that. Now we're going to open up the hooded smock. Alright, so now we're going to open up the hooded smock. Once again, should just be able to tear. I'll put the knife down one more time, safety reasons. As you open it up, you'll do the same procedure as the pants. This being extra large, I'm going to read off to you what it says. It basically says the same thing as the pants. Yeah, pretty much the same thing, so I don't really need to read it off, but if we open it up, toss it down, it does come with these little instructions, which I'll do a close-up on that. Now, in case you can't read it, it says, important, chemical protective suit fixed lock feature, emergency action. Should your hood draw cord fastener fixed lock device not work, take the following action. 1. Pull device of bottom of cord loop, cut off device, pull one end of pull cord so that it is 6 inches longer than the other cord. Tie a half bow shown in diagram. If unable to tie knot yourself because of gloves, mittens, get help. To release knot, pull lower end. So, there's that little tidbit of information. And as before, it comes really folded up with a rubber band. And we're going to have to unfold this here. And we get kind of like a hoodie, basically. Now, just like before, you're going to have to separate all of it by putting your hand through every section because they're going to be pretty stuck together. But once you open it up like this, you don't have to do it anymore. And undo the Velcro there. Then we got the open section there. Then you got to do the same procedure all the way to the bottom here. And then you get something that you should be able to put on. Let's see if I can do this here. I haven't put one on yet, so. I'll put my glasses down. And my glasses back on. Now we got the entire suit on. And the idea is that you're going to be wearing a gas mask. You're going to put your gas mask on. You're going to flip the hood over it, and you're going to tighten it. And to tighten it and untighten it, there's this little thing right here. It's being a little fussy. you tighten it up. And you got the chem suit on. Now, the chem suit is a little stiff, so it'll take some time to get used to. Everything velcros down. Everything. So the arms velcro down, like such. The smock velcros tight over the pants, so that way everything is making a good attempt at being airtight. Now, the suit is pretty lightweight. It's not uncomfortable, but it'll take some time to get used to. So you don't have as much flexibility as a regular pair of pants and a hoodie, but this is basic gist. Everything feels relatively clean, pretty nice. It does get a little hot in this thing because everything is being kept inside. There's not much anything going out anywhere. So wearing this for a long periods of time could be troublesome, and you're going to want to keep your fluids up. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Like I said before, it's fully charcoal lined, so you don't really have to worry about your scent getting out. It'll hold your scent in, so if you want to use it for hunting, I guess that could work too. But once again, it's the MK3 NATO chemical suit. Material itself is a little thin, but the inner material, there's a few layers to this thing. Inner material has charcoal in it, so overall, it's pretty nice. Comes in, I think this is OD green. There's a little back action here. Got an angle from the side, other side, and this is the suit. So yeah, this is the NATO MK3 chemical suit. Now, yes, it's a chemical suit, not an NBC. It's not advertised as an NBC suit. But let's say you're one of the people who are affected in California or the west coast of the United States due to the Fukushima nuclear reactors exploding and those toxic particles everywhere. Well, I know it doesn't say NBC suit, but here's the deal. This thing is pretty airtight. It's charcoal lined and it'll keep pretty decent chemicals out. So you can use it as a very light NBC suit. Not like a heavy duty like hazmat. Because this is definitely better than nothing, and it's a lot better than the average clothing. So, that's pretty much all there is to say about this. Yeah, you push down on the little lever right here to undo the tightening on the hood. Yeah. So there you go. That is the NATO MK3 chemical suit. Opening, putting on, quick all-around view. It's pretty good. But like I said before, if you want something modern, get a mop suit. That's going to be your best bet if you want something similar. That's about it. Hope this was informative. Thanks for watching.